Hello everybody, it's Kiara Shay. Welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a look over a subtle neutral type of fall glam that I did. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, comment it below if you like it or if you have any questions. Here we go. Okay, say hey to fresh face or whatever. Okay, so I actually started off with my MAC brow pencil in the shade Spiked, but I felt that it was very useful and easier for me to use my Shape and Shade brow pen. This brow pen, it honestly looks scary when you first open it, and honestly, I will say that it's not really for beginners, but it's easier for me because I don't have much to fill in, honestly. I just kind of go in and just add a little definition to my brows and fill in what's basically missing. I don't really need to do much. And then I just kind of clean up just to make it look, more defined. Now, the reason why I really enjoy using this particular tool is, for one, because it's easier for me to use, and for two, it gives like a natural type of look. You can easily do feather-like strokes with a pen versus like a pencil. I don't know. You'll kind of see the difference if you were to ever go purchase something like this. It's pretty cool. And when I said that I was going to be cleaning up, I'm going in with the MAC Select Cover Up in the shade NC50. Now I'm using the shade NC50 to kind of define my brows a little bit, and as you can see, it's not really a shade lighter or too much of a shade lighter than my skin tone, because I really do enjoy the natural look. And so I started kind of in the middle, and then I just worked my way to the end and the front. Listen, I had to take a break. I was thirsty. Okay, next I'm going in with the MAC 24-hour primer. I really like this stuff because it is 24-hour wear, and it prevents the colors from fading and creasing, and also it gives the color a lot of vibrancy too. And then I put some Natural Radiance primer on as well. It keeps me very radiant and glowy, and it lasts all day. Well, it helps my makeup last all day. Then you see me going in with another type of primer. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I do not know the name of this product, but I got it for gratis when I used to work at MAC. It's just another base that I use. Yes, I'm extra, but I just want to make sure I keep that vibrancy. So it's easier and it's best for you to use a lighter base if you're going to use bold colors. As you can see, it's looking really, really bright over there. And then I went in with the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm just kind of going all over the lid with this orangey shade. I got the blending brush from Morphe, but I don't have a definite name for it. And then I went in with a more of a burnt orange into my crease, just to kind of, deepen my crease a little bit, because obviously I don't have one, and I'm just blending that out all over the lid as well. And then I also took another blending brush. It's a little bit smaller, and I went in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I used a burgundy reddish color to kind of deepen that crease even more. It's all about transition. Kind of got to start with the lighter color and go deeper as you go into the crease, just to give an illusion that I have a deep crease, because I have hooded eyes, so I have to kind of create my crease, as you can see. So I'm just blending that out. So yeah, next I'm going to go in with a very bright Fit Me concealer, and what I'm doing here is just kind of creating a lid as well. I'm giving an illusion that my lid is larger than normal, so I'm just kind of cutting off to my desire. And then once I do that, I'm going to take that burnt orange color again and just put it in the outer V. Well, kind of in the center outer V of my lid, just to give a little pop of color, because I kind of took it away when I used my little Fit Me to crease. So then I went back and took that burgundy color and used a smaller brush to create more depth in my outer V area and also kind of in my crease as well. And then I use the nude color to pack onto my lid, and then after a while I blended it out. So now I'm going in with the Black Track Pro Longwear Fluid Liner from MAC, and truth be told, I hate eyeliner. Actually, I don't really hate it. I don't like doing it on myself because, like I said, I have hooded eyes, so it's harder for me to get a little dramatic with my eyeliner. So I think I just look really pretty with the natural classic liner. I don't really do much. And I went back and took that NC50 Select Cover Up again, and yes, I do use it as foundation. It's the perfect shade for me. I don't use much. I just put it everywhere except for my under eye area, because then I go in with another concealer for that. After I do my foundation part, then I go in with the concealer again and I clean up the top part of my brows. It's just easier that way because I can get a little bit messy. Then I go in with the Wet n Wild concealer, and I just put that under my eye area. I let it sit for a little bit. It doesn't really show in the video, but I do let it sit for a while because it seems to last longer for me when I kind of let it oxidize into my skin first. And then I go in with the Beauty Blender, a Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I blend it out. I also make sure that my Beauty Blender is not quite damp, but wet when I'm using it. And I just do that really because it blends really nice and softly, but also it kind of absorbs some of that product. So it absorbs some product that I don't necessarily need. Then I set that with this NARS translucent powder. I really like the NARS translucent powder because it doesn't show up at all, but I'm only truly using it because I ran out of my other setting powder that I use, Derma Blend. And then I use this Make Your Mark eyeshadow for contour. I like it because it has a lot of dimension to it, you know? It's not just one solid color. So I use it for contour, my cheekbone and my nose area. It really comes in handy though, just so I won't have to go in with another powder to bronze. That really does the trick because it does all of that in one for me, just because it has a lot of dimension to it and not just one solid color. Then here I am going into my lower lash line with the very first orange shade that I use for my eyeshadow. And then I'm also going to take a eyeliner pencil. I believe it's in the shade Graph Black or Black Track or something like that. But it is a MAC product. I'm just going into my waterline to tighten it with that eyeliner. Next, I'm going to go in with a all-over powder. It's a mineralized skin finish powder in the shade Dark Tan. This stuff is wonderful because I'm not a full coverage type of girl anymore. I'll do it when necessary, when I want to be extra. But to set my makeup, this powder, it gives me life. It gives an entire completely different look to the skin, and it's really nourishing to my skin as well. So it doesn't really absorb too much oils, so it still leaves me kind of dewy looking. Then next, I went in with the BH Cosmetics Missy Lynn Baked Highlighter and Eyeshadow Palette to highlight where the light touches, of course. And then I'm so upset because I couldn't find my eyelash glue, so I couldn't apply my lashes. But I did go in with the MAC I'm so sad, y'all. The MAC mascara. I got some pretty long lashes, so I couldn't really complain too much, but I did want it to look glamified, you know, not too neutral and natural looking. So I did want to pop the look off with my lashes, but I obviously didn't come prepared for the party, so whatever. So I really didn't come prepared for the party because I can't even find my chestnut lip liner. But I found a solution. I went in with the spiked eyebrow pencil for my lip liner all over. Then after I did that, I took the Plenty of Pout plumping lipstick from MAC as well, and it's called So Well, and I applied that all over my lips. And then I went in to top that off with a gloss. It's a Dazzle Glass from MAC also, and it's called Roller Girl, just to give me some shine to my little cute lips. You're gonna see that here soon in the video. By the way, if you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. I'll answer anything that I probably, missed out that y'all noticed or anything. Feel free. I don't mind at all. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos here soon. I'm so excited I finally stepped out my comfort zone and started to make videos because it's actually really, really fun to do. Then I'm going in with my mineralized blush powder. It's Love Thing by MAC. I'm just going to top my cheeks off, add a little bit of color back into my face. Not really too much, but just a little bit of something. And then I'm going to finish myself off with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, of course. And voila, we have a look. I want to call it like just a subtle fall makeup look, basically. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned to see how I got this look overall. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions or concerns. I also want to say that this is only the beginning, so there will definitely be more videos to come that I will share with you guys, and I'm so excited to share my experiences and just some fun moments with you guys. We're really gonna have a good time, and I will appreciate the feedback in the long run. This is gonna be a nice fun journey, and I really appreciate the guys that follow me throughout this journey. I'm so excited for what the future holds for all of us. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.